Hello beta, in this video I will explain to you what do you mean by SN2 equation. So SN2, 2 means bimolecular, means two molecule participate in this equation. N means nucleophilic and S means substitution. So SN2 is known as bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. मतलब बेटा in this type of equation two molecules are participate in a single step. मतलब बेटा single step में अगर दो molecule participate करते हैं then this type of equation is known as SN2. With the help of one example we can easily explain to this. If we take a CH3 CH2 Cl and aqueous KOH. This one is a 1 degree alkyl halide and this one is aqueous KOH. It means KOH mixed with water. So KOH easily divided into K plus OH minus. And due to the presence of iron, this one is also have a tendency to convert into positive and negative. Chlorine is more electronegative than carbon, so partial positive and partial negative is developed at the carbon and chlorine. Positive charge is developed at the carbon and negative is developed at the chlorine. 1 degree alkyl halide easily convert into carbocation? No. Reason for this? Because only one alkyl halide is situated at this carbon. So 1 degree alkyl halide or 1 degree carbocation is not easily convert or easily form in the reaction. But because of the positive charge, OH attract toward the carbon. क्योंकि कार्बन पे बेटा पॉजिटिव चार्ज आ गया है तो देयरफॉर OH तो इसकी तरफ अट्रैक्ट हो गई. So when we take a 1 degree alkyl halide and aqueous KOH, then both molecules are participate in a single step and transition state is available. What do you mean by transition state? First of all मैं transition state को बेटा represent करके बताता हूँ. This is a carbon which have positive charge and 2 hydrogens situated at this carbon and 1 alkyl group is situated, and this one is a p orbit from which Cl is removed and OH is attracted toward the carbon. This state is known as a transition state. मीन क्लोरीन बेटा कार्बन से दूर जा रहा है एंड OH इज अट्रैक्ट टुवर्ड द कार्बन. मतलब क्लोरीन कार्बन से दूर जाएगा एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द पॉजिटिव चार्ज OH अट्रैक्ट टुवर्ड द कार्बन. सो दिस वन इज अ ट्रांजिशन स्टेट. ट्रांजिशन स्टेट इज स्टेबल इन ओनली SN2 reaction because in a SN1 reaction one molecule is participate, therefore transition state is not available. So बेटा SN2 इक्वेशन में ट्रांजिशन स्टेट अवेलेबल होती है एंड क्लोरीन इज रिमूव फ्रॉम द कार्बन एंड OH इज मूव टुवर्ड द कार्बन. इफ वी राइट डाउन टू दिस इक्वेशन देन CH3 CH2 Cl react with OH or KOH. OH replace to the chlorine and form CH3 CH2 OH and Cl is remove or substitute by the OH. we know that K is also situated in this equation. So KCl is a side product in this equation. So KCl is formed in this equation because we take a KOH. So K combine with Cl and form a KCl in this equation, and alcohol is formed. So in the above equation, only one step is included in which alkyl halide and aqueous KOH both are participate with each other. मतलब ये एक ही स्टेप में बेटा ये दोनों जने आपस में रिएक्ट कर रहे हैं. Therefore, this is the reason that this reaction is known as bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. इसमें बेटा एक कॉन्सेप्ट और मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि हाउ कैन वी फाइंड आउट दैट विच ग्रुप इज सब्सटीट्यूट टू दी अनदर ग्रुप. जैसे इस रिएक्शन में अगर अपन बात करें तो OH ने बेटा किसको सब्सटीट्यूट किया है? OH सब्सटीट्यूट टू दी Cl. सो हाउ कैन वी फाइंड आउट दैट कौन सा ग्रुप किसको बेटा सब्सटीट्यूट करेगा? So, in the above equation, CH3CH2Cl is a reactant and product is CH3CH2OH. So, carbon-chlorine bond is converted into carbon-oxygen bond after the completion of reaction. So, carbon-oxygen bond is stronger than carbon-chlorine bond. This is right or wrong? We know that carbon-chlorine bond is larger than carbon-oxygen bond. So, carbon-oxygen bond is more stable than carbon-chlorine bond. So, this is the reason that OH easily substitute to the Cl. So, इस कॉन्सेप्ट के बेस पे हम बहुत सारी इक्वेशंस को easily एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं कि which bond is stable and which bond is less stable from the other. जैसे यहीं अगर अपन बात करें तो then carbon oxygen bond is more stable than carbon chlorine. It is confirmed that OH can be substitute to the Cl. OH Cl को substitute कर सकता है. बट बेटा कभी भी किसी भी इक्वेशन में Cl is not substitute to the OH. Cl कभी भी OH को सीधा नहीं हटाएगा. हाँ, कुछ कंडीशन में ऐसा हो सकता है कि Cl may be replaced to the OH, but by the process of substitution नहीं, by the process of dehydration या another किसी equation में ऐसा possible है. But it is clear that Cl is not substitute to the OH, and I will also explain to this in our other video. Okay बेटा, I think ये आपको clear हो गया होगा कि if you take 1 degree alkyl halide and aqueous KOH, then only one step is situated in this equation. So this is the reason that this reaction is known as SN2. Okay beta.